Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious corned beef egg stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one 12-ounce can of corned beef, 4 large eggs, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 colorful bell pepper. Also, have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, plus salt and black pepper ready to season your delightful meal. This simple list ensures a flavorful and satisfying dish. Now, let's begin building the flavor base for our stew. Start by finely chopping your onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a medium-sized pan over a steady medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the chopped onions and sauté them gently until they turn beautifully translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and bell pepper, cooking for another 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, it's time to introduce the star of our dish, the corned beef. Open your 12-ounce can and add the corned beef directly into the pan with the sautéed aromatics. Use a spoon to break it up into smaller pieces, mixing it thoroughly with the vegetables. Now, dice your 2 ripe tomatoes and stir them in, allowing them to soften for about 5 minutes. Finally, crack the 4 large eggs directly into the stew, spacing them out evenly. To finish our delicious stew, cover the pan and let it simmer gently over low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the eggs to cook perfectly. You want the whites set and the yolks cooked to your preferred consistency. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Your warm, hearty corned beef egg stew is now ready. Enjoy it with steamed rice, crusty bread, or even a side of plantains.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.